I feel the need for speed. Now, this is a classic movie line, of course, but it is also a need I have for myself in my trading, right? Trading, the in and out of the market, the active investing, not the passive investing of buying and holding for years. So I want you to join me Tuesday, October 24th at 8 p.m. Eastern. That's Tuesday, October 24th at 8 p.m. Eastern for my workshop on speed trading. I'm going to dive into speed, the speed of the market, the speed of the price moves in a way I never have before. So I want you to register, and then I want you to do a couple other things. Number one, you got to protect your time, right? So you got to tell everyone in your family, I feel the need for speed in my trading. Tell your spouse, your kids, your pet, whoever you need to, that you are protecting that time for your education. I also need you to mark your calendar, okay? Whether it's digital or a wall calendar, make sure you block out the time and protect it from everything else. And come prepared with an open mind to learn. You can even come with your favorite tickers of markets you trade or you just keep tabs on, and we can look at them together in this live workshop. Now, the other thing I need you to do is get excited, feel that need for speed with me here. So I want you to type in the comment for this video, I feel the need for speed, or let's go, or I'm in, whatever you want to choose, all right? And I will reply back personally to every one of you. So again, that's Tuesday, October 24th at 8 p.m. Eastern. I'm Hema Reddy. I use speed, among other things, to boost my trading and that of my tribes. And I can't wait to see you there because I feel the need for speed, and you will too after you learn what I have to share that can revolutionize your trading. See you there.